Please try to understand, doctor. My married life is in danger. A long time ago, I had a medical checkup done, and the report stated that I can never get pregnant. I just want a little help from you in which you prepare such a report which states that I am pregnant.
Look, I'm sorry. I cannot help you in this matter. You may leave now.
I tried doing it the nice way, but you don't seem to understand. If things are not going your way, then you have to make them go your way. Look at this. This is why it's necessary for you to make these reports. This video clearly shows how you tried to force yourself on this nurse. You are the doctor and she is the nurse in this video. And if these reports aren't prepared in 5 minutes, then this video will go viral. Every newspaper and every news channel will show this and you will look guilty and you will lose the hospital license as well.
Look,
You have 4 minutes, the decision is up to you.
listen, I'm ready to do whatever you say. Please don't make this video viral.
Then apologize to this nurse first for taking advantage of her helplessness and take an oath that you will never put an evil eye on her henceforth.
Please forgive me. I promise I won't put an evil eye on anyone.
Then come on. Prepare a report quickly which states that Tara is pregnant.
Thank you, ma'am. You have saved all the nurses from the evil eyes of that doctor.
Thank you, ma'am. You are no less than a goddess to us. If you wouldn't have come today, then who knows what might have happened. May God fulfill all your wishes and keep you happy.
There's no need to thank me. My arrival here today saved you all. And what if I hadn't come? For her self-respect, every girl should fight. And today onwards, you all too will have to fight. Be careful in the future, okay?
Was there somebody else too with Tara? Tara? Tara?
Deep, why are you standing here? Go away.
I will not. I need to talk to you.
But I don't want to talk to you, Deep.
Then run the car over me. Otherwise, talk to me.
What do you want to say? That it's written in the report that I can get pregnant? So you're not believing that as well? Or you want to say that this child belongs to someone else?
Tara! Are you even in your senses? Tara, that's something that I cannot even think about. Then how can you even say it? Tara, I know I made a huge mistake and I want forgiveness from you. But henceforth never think that I don't want this child. Or that I doubt you.
Deep, if you ever doubt me again, then just remember that I will kill you.
Tara, tell me something. While doing this, didn't you think about your mother even once? Didn't you think how I'll feel? Tell me. Now listen to me and try to understand. If you ever do something like this again, then you will be the cause of my death. Understood?
Mom. Forgive me. But what could I have done? None of you trusted me. That's why I had to take this drastic step of getting an abortion done.
Hey! I don't want to hear that word from you again. What is wrong with you both? God has blessed the greatest of joys. You two are becoming parents for the first time. Celebrate it and love each other. Stand up for each other in problems. Come on. Deep. Tara should not have any complaints henceforth. She should not face any problems. Understood? Tara, when you were born, our fortune changed completely. Your dad and I haven't looked back since then, dear. I'm sure that your child too will prove to be equally fortunate. Burning Holi will take place tonight. I'm going to make a big announcement in the Holi party tomorrow. The announcement is that your and Deep's child will be the heir to half of my property.
But Mom, Virat,
What? Virat what? Don't worry about Virat. It's my money. I'll do what I want to do. And anyway, it's only about half of my property. Don't worry, I care about everyone. My son is quite mature. I hope he will understand my feelings. If he doesn't, then it is too bad. I'll start with the preparations for tonight. Smile.
how can this happen?
Brother Virat? Did you hear what Mom said? Mom will transfer half of her property on my child's name. Can you believe it? Brother, I am really very happy. I can't believe that Mom loves me so much. Seriously. You don't need to worry at all, Brother Virat. Deep has been handling the entire business and my child will handle it in the future now. I think that you should take a long vacation or take a trip abroad. And after you come back, you will see that how Tara Enterprises would be on top of the world. I am so excited. I am so happy. I'll order sweets.
Congratulations.
Yes. I have added fuel to the fire. Now the fire just needs to burn Deep and Virat.
She wants to order sweets.
Wait. Give that to me. Go and look after the rest of the work. Stop staring at me and look after the rest of the work. What happened, Virat? Why are you so angry?
My money, my property, my rights are being taken away from me, and you're asking me what happened. This Deep. You know, this name pricks my heart. Deep. Prithvi will have to do something. We'll have to stop Mom from making this announcement anyhow.
You know Roma ma'am very well. No one can stop her once she takes a decision.
I know that. But not until there is an explosion. We have to plan something. An accident that will make Mom forget about this. You will be the one who will help me in this.
So you want an accident? It'll be done.
Tara will start the veneration today. Come on, Tara. All hail Holika!
All hail Holika!
Bindya, have you kept all the essentials over there? Come on, Tara, start the veneration.
Sir,
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.